Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you two simple DIYs using Ikea floating shelves. I'm starting off with these 9-inch mirrors and I'm gonna glue them on the board using a Polymax glue. Then I added 1 by 12-inch mirror tiles to cover the remaining space. To make the design I want, I'll be using these shiny tiles from Amazon. I'll glue the 1 by 12-inch mirror tiles on this side and then I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. For stability, I'm gonna attach the base to this 3 by 12-inch wooden board. I pre-drilled and then added the screws to hold them together. And now I'm gonna cover the base with mirrors. I drilled a hole at the top center of the board. And then now I'm gonna make a medium opening at the back using a power drill. I will place the nut and the bolt in here and then we're gonna tighten the bolt around the nuts. I'll be using this lampshade that I had at home. The neck has a nut that I'm gonna tighten it to the bolt. And this is how it turned out, guys. I'm so much in love with it. On my second project, I'll be using these kitchen wall tiles. I'm gonna cut out the excess pieces and glue the tiles on the board. also attached the base to it, and later I covered the base with mirror. I then applied a white grout to cover the spaces in between the tiles. Let it dry for 2 hours and then clean it using a wet cloth. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you on my next video.